So here is LuxeLook app. So here, if you try to find it, yeah, it's available on Android. This is one of the most popular apps on Android to do AI face editing. Pretty popular app, as you can see, 5 million downloads. Yeah, everything you need for face touch app is here in one AI face editor app. So yeah, LuxeLook helps you put on AI makeup, smooth skin, whiten teeth, put on favorite lipstick colors, brighten smiles, get beeline chin, and so on. It's the hell of the most advanced AI technology. You can create really cool selfies. So here, yeah, you have what you have. You have skin whitener. LuxeLook skin whitening app features gives you a glow complexion in a matter of seconds. With uh, AI photo editor, you can brighten and even out your skin tone for radiant glowing look. Then there is teeth whitening editor. Our AI tool instantly whiten your teeth and eliminate yellowing, making your smile brighter and more vibrant. Lip color changer, add a touch of glamour with the lip color changer feature of LuxeLook. Face shape editor, achieve your ideal face shape with a face shape editor. Intuitive tools allows you to sculpt your face, giving you more defined jawline and enhanced cheekbones. A shape changer, take your selfie to the next level with LuxeLook's eye shape changer tool. With this feature, you can experiment with different eye shape and vibe from sparkling to deep round elements and everything in between. Smile brightener. So yeah, as you can see, 5 million downloads. However, it requires you to upgrade, so you can see in-app purchases. LuxeLook is your ultimate AI face editor for all your selfie enhancements, from flawless face makeup to polished skin, bright teeth, and sculpted faces. Is everything you need for the perfect picture. Yeah, so there you have it. You can see some screenshots. Yeah, I would say if you're using Android, this is one of the best apps to perfect your selfie using AI. Fortunately, again, it's not available on iPhone. And yeah, so that's basically the idea, as you can see. And yeah, so try it out.